People keep asking whether Finelo is actually worth their time, and if it really helps you learn how investing and trading work, or if it is just another flashy learning app. At its core, Finelo is an educational app designed around investing and trading, mainly for beginners. The platform focuses on teaching the basics through structured learning paths. These paths usually cover areas like long-term investing, active trading, crypto fundamentals, and even passive income concepts. Everything is broken down into short, bite-sized lessons, which makes it easier to stay focused and not feel overwhelmed. That structure alone is one of the biggest reasons people are drawn to it. One thing that stands out right away is the simulated trading feature. Instead of using real money, you practice in a risk-free environment. This means you can test strategies, make mistakes, and learn from them without losing anything. For beginners, this is a big advantage, especially when paired with the lessons inside the same app. The learning and the practice are connected, which helps things make more sense faster. Another strong point is engagement. Finelo uses quizzes, feedback, and gamified elements to keep you involved. Lessons are short, simple, and usually explained in plain language. Many users say this makes it feel approachable, especially if finance has always seemed confusing or intimidating. On top of that, the app works on both iOS and Android, and the interface is generally considered clean and easy to navigate. Pricing is another factor. Finelo is a paid app, and some users feel that much of the information can be found for free elsewhere. In that sense, you are paying for structure and convenience rather than exclusive knowledge. There have also been complaints about unclear pricing and upsells, with some people mentioning unexpected charges for additional features like an AI mentor. It is also important to understand what Finelo is not. It is not a brokerage, and you cannot trade real money on the platform. It does not give buy or sell signals, and it does not select stocks or crypto for you. Everything is educational. Because of that, there is still a gap between simulated practice and real market emotions and risk. At the end of the day, Finelo is a solid educational starting point, not a shortcut to guaranteed profits. It teaches fundamentals, builds confidence, and helps you understand how markets work, but it does not replace real experience or deeper study. And sometimes realizing that early is already a valuable lesson on its own.